So this is our so many statues and pictures and my plushies in their bed. Okay. Little realistic. Okay. And this is the chibi sunroom, okay?
Nakatutok po tayo sa isang test
And this is my favorite, my sister's favorite, Our Lady of Panawag. And ito po yung most favorite ko na laro. Santo Niño na Maroka. And let's go to the pictures. So this is the pictures. This is my sister, this is me, and this is the flower. This is the from Zambales. He just give me this, and this is from Zambales. This is a San Roque picture, and this is a unknown. So Nazareno and San Roque. And I'm gonna show you my plushies. And this is the picture. And this is the Nazareno. He just when the bulls sila, and they give us this. And this is from the San Roque that they give us to us. Okay. Okay, bye. Okay. If you want to see some more statues, I'll get like in the video and comment. Okay.